Hi, I'm going to demonstrate to you one of the new Microsoft Teams facilities that I think you might be interested in if you spend a lot of time in Teams meetings. You can actually cut out distracting background noises. Now, the way to do this is you go to your settings. Let me just show you where that is. Where your profile picture is, click on that and go to settings. And on the settings, you want to go to devices. And on devices, it's just here, noise suppression. So noise suppression, currently I've got mine on high, and that means that you could quite possibly not know whether I've been vacuuming the entire time. And as I speak, I am vacuuming. So if you'd like to hide the noise of somebody vacuuming in your house, or perhaps it's a dog barking next door, or maybe you've got children running around, you don't want to hear them over the meeting, your guests in the meeting will not hear you. And we can all switch that on and get a much better result for our meeting. That's enough vacuuming for one day. I hope you find that useful.